What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Antoine the Great, and as y'all can see, we got a nice size little box right here. This box is not actually for me, it's actually for my son. His 5th birthday is August 5th, actually. It's here in about 4 days, so we're gonna go ahead and unbox this surprise for him. Like I said, my son, he got to pick what he wanted, something he wanted, not the exact thing he wanted, but something. It's packaged pretty well, I'll tell you that. Package pretty good. You say this bubble wrap for him because I know he gonna like it. Got some hardware, little number plate. I don't even think I'm actually use the menu. I said the menu. The instructions. The bike pretty much come ready, so there ain't really too much you gotta do to it. We'll pump the tires up, mix the oil and gas, and put the handlebars on them, of course. finished product. Got your gas tank. I'll tell you what you gotta mix. I think both of these are the brakes. I got a little kill switch.